Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that's been puzzling many of us who use tmux and vim together. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your familiar keyboard shortcuts, like Ctrl N, Ctrl P, and Ctrl P and suddenly stopped working in tmux after setting the editor environment variable to vim? If so, you're not alone. This can be really frustrating, especially if you rely heavily on these shortcuts for navigation and editing. In this video, we'll explore what's going on behind the scenes when you set editor to vim, and how it affects your keyboard shortcuts in tmux. By the end of this explanation, you'll understand why this happens, and how to regain control over your beloved shortcut. So, let's dive into the world of terminal multiplexers and text editors. When you set editor to vim, you're essentially telling your system that whenever it needs to open a file in an editor, it should use vim. This is great for people who love vim, but it can also cause some unexpected behavior. The thing is, tmux has its own set of keyboard shortcuts that are designed to work seamlessly with the terminal. However, when you set editor to vim, it starts to intercept some of these keyboard shortcuts and redirects them to vim instead of tmux. This is why your familiar Ctrl N, Ctrl P, and Ctrl F shortcuts stop working as expected. Think of it like a game of telephone. When you press Ctrl N in tmux, it's like sending a message saying, "Hey, I want to navigate to the next window." But when editor is set to vim, that message gets intercepted by vim, which says, "Oh, you want to navigate? Well, let me handle that for you in my own way." This can be really confusing, especially if you're used to having fine-grained control over your navigation and editing experience. But don't worry, there's a way to regain control. To summarize the main points, setting editor to vim can cause keyboard shortcuts to stop working in tmux. This is because vim intercepts some of these shortcuts and redirects them to its own functionality. To regain control over your keyboard shortcuts, you'll need to configure either tmux or vim to play nicely together. Thanks for watching this explanation. Well, if you've been struggling with this issue, we hope this video has shed some light on what's going on. Remember, the key takeaway is that setting editor to vim can have unintended consequences on your keyboard shortcuts in tmux. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, please leave them down below. We'd love to hear from you and start a discussion. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe for more content on terminal multiplexers, text editors, and other tech-related topics. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with our latest video. See you in the next one.